What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to part 2 of my like moving out, moving in vlog. You know, I think you're all caught up now what happened. If you're not caught up, make sure you go watch that video. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get popping.
Telling me I'm not gonna waste my time. Show me diamond, but pressure bust pipe.
But here we are. Let me show you guys what I've done so far. I just moved in all my stuff. I just moved in everything. Where should we start? Okay, let's start over here. So I have much more closet space now. So this is what we're looking like. And then all my other stuff are here. This, I got this a good while ago. It's a good thing to get this because if I never get that, the all of my shoes them would have flooded out. Well, like all the shoes that were in here, I would have normally kept my shoes under my bed. Everything would have flooded out. So that's for that. This came with the room. I might wash it and keep it. What? Or I might just like for now until I get mine. But I don't know. The brown is throwing me off. I don't really like the brown. Then we have the dresser, my dirty fan of me for go wash, the AC I'm not gonna ever use, because I not pay the light bill there.
Me not pay the bill, yeah. So I say, alright, me not pay the bill there. Anyway.
And then here's the bed. People might have bedded now and I can't really chat to me again. I'm just to this side, man. To spread a bed, I'm gonna have to find. I have a fitted sheet for this one. I just need to dig up and find it. That sheet that I put on first, I have 2 of them. Like the fitted sheets, I have 2 of them. I didn't realize they were that small. So I guess those are for like double, because this is a queen. This is a queen size bed. The other bed that I had was a twin bed or a double. I don't know. So we need to go look for them there. tired. I'm tired and hungry. This is how far I've gotten. These food items here, along with this, is supposed to go in the kitchen, but I need to clean out that situation, and I'm not doing that right now. Cupboard one clean out. I just can't manage that right now. Honestly, I'm not really gonna like organize anything else. I just go put them away out of my sight and go bed and lay down. That's me. Tired. My body done. Can't do no more. This is what in here is looking like. Stuffed. Like, as I said, I literally just put them in there with the bags and everything. I don't want to see it. Lock that up. And yeah, what I am going to do though is take out the clothes out of this. Take out clothes out of this thing right here. Put them in the drawers, and that should be that. So I'll come back when I have done that.
3 days later.
What is up? What is up? I don't know where I stopped the last time with, you know, like unpacking my stuff since I've been here. I haven't really done much because honestly I was contemplating if I wanted to stay here, so I didn't unpack my stuff because, you know, some things were just happening here that I did not like. But you know, after speaking with the landlady, and some things got sorted out. Let's just say that I don't want to just get up and look for somewhere else and then move quick again, and then I hate that place. You know, it's like jumping out of the fire and straight into the frying. Jumping out of the frying pan and jumping straight into the fire. Yeah, and I didn't really want to do that, and I love this room. I really like this room. It's bigger than my last room, and I have a lot more space, as you can see. Anywho, I had ordered a little, it's not really like a bedside table. I just wanted some more storage for the other room. Pity, I never knew that, you know, I would be moving out. But I ordered a little shelf thing. Y'all are gonna see because I got it yesterday. Here is the package, right? So in it has a laundry bag as well, and that's why the box is so big, because it has like, listen, I can't explain it. I think I bought a sheet too, but the problem, I didn't realize that it came with one pillowcase. So stress. Let's just open it up and see what we got. So I got my second dose of, you know, yesterday, and my arm is sore. Wow, so I thought this was the heavy thing, but it's actually this. Like, this is actually the heavy thing, which is the tables. So I got this like laundry bag. The reason I got a laundry bag was because, one, it was for $3, and I said, why not? I wanted to replace this because I hate it. It's giving childish, and at the time when I bought it, it was supposed to be temporary. It's been 2 years, 2.5 years since I've had it. I don't know why I still have it, but this is what it looks like. That's my laundry bag. So your girl had to upgrade, and now this is what I have. Cute. Y'all don't think this is cute? I think this is so cute. Will it be able to hold all the stuff that's in there? I don't know, and the material is not what I thought. But hey, it's $3. What did I really expect? I really don't know what I expected, but I like it. Really lightweight. I'm now gonna transfer all my stuff in that one into this one and get that out of here. I hate it.
A few moments later.
Well, surprisingly, everything fits. Like, oh my gosh, look, everything fit, and I can move it around so much easily now. I can literally just drag this. All right, anything that's left in it is just like miscellaneous items, because when I was moving, I just threw everything in it. To be honest, But wow, everything actually fits. I wish I bought more than one. Damn it. Now I can finally throw this away. Well, I'm actually not gonna throw it away because, you know, I might need it for storage again in the future. I'm just gonna fold it up and put it somewhere since I will never be using it for laundry again. Love that for me. I like neutral colors as well, so the blue was just throwing me off. My whole room, y'all will see that in the room transformation and tour or whatever, but I want black, white. My new favorite color is sage green. So this sheet here that I've got, one side of it is black and white checkered and the other side is yellow, this mustard color. All of a sudden the sheet doesn't know because they did all types of manner of evil with it, so I'm gonna have to wash it. I mean, of course I'll wash it anyways before I use it, but still, it's actually not even a sheet, it's a duvet cover. So there's that. I can literally buy 2 white pillowcases to go with it, so it really doesn't matter to me, to be honest. So yeah, I'm going to set up this table now, so I'll put you guys somewhere you guys can watch me do that.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, and we're so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. If we on the run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move?
And that is the final result, guys. I love it. I wish it had 4 wheels instead of 2 because this really made no sense to me. But at least I have stuff. I have, you know, somewhere to put like some extra stuff. So to be honest, I think this is where I'm gonna keep like my hair stuff, like my hair, like my blow dryer, my flat iron, and my curling wand, and my makeup stuff. I think that's what I'm gonna keep in here. And I'm gonna put this on that side of the room because yeah, that's the side I sleep to more. And I can just reach across and grab stuff instead of getting up and coming all the way over here. But nobody pre over here, so we get into that, okay? And don't ask me why the air fryer is in here. I made some wings and fries in here because I didn't want to go downstairs to the kitchen. It's too far. It's too far. And that's that on that.
Several days later.
So it is some days later, as you can see, you know, girl of on a week now and so. But I just wanted to say, first of all, I am currently editing this moving vlog, and this that I'm recording right now is going in that moving vlog, like literally editing right now. I still haven't really like packed out everything yet, but an update on what the closet situation is looking like. It is a hot mess. I'm gonna need to wash my clothes then, but it's because I've just been so busy. I'm just up and down. Like I haven't really had the time to fix it properly, but this is what it's looking like. That's where I put the laundry bag, hung up some of my jackets and stuff. Those are my shoes, hung up some of my little purses and bags there. These have my food items. I still have not put anything in the kitchen yet. Don't mind milk or kettle. I still have my electric one I use. This picture y'all know this picture from my other room, but I want to put a nail in the wall because I don't want to put it on. I'm scared to put it on the command hook and it drop and broke, because I'm going to definitely cry. So I'm still thinking about that. Don't mind me look at onion and put it on sitting. These are the amount of wig videos that I have to do. We're not even gonna get into that. Girl gotta make her money. There's my little wig head over there, my suitcase. I buy one little mop, something. And it comes with, you know, this part where you can squeeze out the mop, you know. This just looks so weird, the mop, and I promise this is not used yet. This is brand new. I have not used it yet. I would not have this stuff near this stuff on a regular day. Just ignore that. I soon put that somewhere else. I just want it out of my way. That's pretty much it. And I started using my little portable fan. Reason being, my regular fan, I realized that the side of it started leaning to one side because one part of the leg is broken. I need to fix that. Jesus, my lace is lifting. Anyways, so this is what she's looking like over here. Please don't mind my air fryer over there. I still have not put it back in the box yet because I use it kind of often. I don't like going in the kitchen, so I literally just make everything right there. I have to put the fan up on top of the box it came in because it's not high enough to like blow air onto me on the bed. Jesus, it look disgusting. It's on the floor right now because, you know, it's whatever. It doesn't really, it's fine. It's whatever. But that is the update I have. I have not really decorated the room yet. I want to ease into doing that, but I also want to record when I'm decorating, so it's like it's gonna be all over the place, but you know, you're not gonna really what the f I try to say. Well, I'm not gonna see the room fix up until the room transformation vlog. That is what I'm trying to say. I think I stated earlier that I want my room colors to be black, white, gray, and shades of green. So sage green, dark green like olive green, you know, Everest green, those types of colors. That's what I want. Or we can leave out the green and just do the black, white, and the gray. For my dresser, you know them little faux fur runners? I want one of those because it's not cute with just the bare sausage dresser. I'm not like that. Not giving aesthetic. I'm literally filming like 2 vlogs at once, so after I finish this part for this moving vlog, then I'm gonna continue my weekly vlog because I did a long I think this is my longest vlog ever. This might be 40 minutes, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm not gonna cut it down because I actually want to, you know, try and post a long video for once in my life. Hopefully this one goes up by Sunday. My Wi-Fi is trashed, so this takes like 2 days to upload, so we'll see how that goes. Also, for a lot of people on my last video, you guys were saying I should take the people to court. But to be honest, I already, when I posted the video, I already moved out, already found somewhere else, you know. I already like got over that situation. It wasn't very long after, to be honest. It was like a week before or like a couple days before, but like I already done find a new place to go already. I just needed to like move in and finalize some things, but my headspace was just, I was just not in a good headspace throughout that time. I'm not gonna lie. Like when me telling us I go through enough things, like I was really going through it, to be honest. Currently I do feel a little bit better. I did mention earlier in the vlog too that this vlog that I didn't want to stay here because I was legit gonna move out this month and find somewhere else again. But then, you know, I'm gonna say, you know what, let me just relax, focus on making more money so I can get the place that I want, because this isn't really the place that I wanted, but I had to settle for it because 1, I'm not gonna catch on a body yard, and 2, I am not very productive in Portland, and it would make no sense for me to move all my things back to Portland and then look for somewhere, and it's just a lot. And I don't like being a burden to people, so I don't want to catch on nobody. I don't want to ask nobody if I can keep my things. It's just, you know, I just wanted everything to work out. I just wanted to at least find somewhere, at least temporarily, until I get what I want. But I'm just gonna relax, grin and bear it, because you know things are not as bad as they were when I just got here. Like, they're fine now. It's perfectly fine. Literally, I'm fine. I just still need to get used to it, because I think this is like my second week being here, and I'm not 100% used to it yet. I still have attachment issues to the last place, but we're getting there. So yeah, that is that. I can't nobody got court. Do all of that. I have severed ties with that place, so it's over and done with. It is what it is, but I know all of that information for the future. If this landlady wants herself, then she gonna get that. I think that is about it. Oh, you know, if you're at a home decor place and you want to sponsor me some home decor stuff, you know, you can send me some stuff that's gold, black, gray, white. Just saying, if you want though, I'll feature it in the room tour, give y'all a little shout out, some free promo, all of that. Just saying. If not, that's fine. I can just buy my stuff where I normally buy them. That's okay. But yeah, just putting it out there. I'm gonna put this part of it into the vlog, export it, upload it, and that should be that. See y'all in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mwah.